Hey, it's Mr. K, Chemistry 30, Unit A review, question number 11. Okay, the enthalpy change for the overall equation is blank. So they've given me this equation, and then they've given me 4 equations with which to build it. This is a Hess's law equation. We're going to add these delta H values up to get the overall enthalpy change. Okay, once again, I'm simply working across to get the pieces that I want. First, I want C6H4OH2, which is right here. I want one of them. I want as a reactant. It already gives me that. So I write that first equation exactly the way they've given it to me, and I make no changes to the delta H. Okay, next, I want H2O2 as a reactant, and I want one of them. In this equation, H2O2 is written as a product. There is one of them, so all I have to do is flip this reaction. H2 plus O2 yielding H2O2 becomes the reverse, H2O2, H2O2 as product. And then for my delta H, because I flipped it, I changed the sign, meaning I times this thing by a negative. Okay, next one up, I'm going to get this 2 water here. Now it's liquid water, and I can see that I have liquid water right here. So I need it as a product. I have it as a product, but I need 2. So I'm simply going to double this reaction. 2 H2O gas, 2 H2O liquid, 2 of these. And now I've started with my canceling, and I simply realize that this H2O gas is out of place, this H2, this H2, this O2. I've got a bunch of stuff I don't need. So this last equation helps me cancel things out. I look specifically at wanting to cancel out that H2O gas, and I use the 4th and final equation. I need 2 H2O gas as my product to cancel. So I'm going to take this reaction, and I'm just going to double it. So doubling it gives me this equation here. I've doubled the delta H value, and now lovingly and beautifully, I can cancel everything out. The 2 gases are gone, the O2s cancel, 2 H2s on the right side cancel 2 H2s on the left side, and my equation comes out to be my net, and then I simply add up, being very careful with my sign and my procedure so that I don't mess up my values. Okay, if you flip something, you chuck on a negative, changing the sign. If you double it, triple it, quadruple it, you just times the delta H value at the same value. If you half it, you could also half it. Okay, thanks a lot for tuning in. See you next time.